Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. It is day one of Vlogmas. So it is December 1st and I've got my yarn bag ready to go. So I'm going to draw it slightly open and I'm going to reach in and pull out my very first skein, mini skein of yarn for the yarn advent calendar. This yarn is from Dear Mina Yarn. I will put a link down below to her Etsy shop. And this color, it's almost black. It's Hazel Knits Pequot Light Black Light Oak. So it's not going to focus on that. But there is my first little mini skein. Now throughout the month, I've got a lot of yarn that I've done a little ordering for. So there'll be lots of yarny goodness all month long. When I get deliveries in from yarn, I will share with you. There's going to be a little bit of history. There's going to be maybe a little bit of cookie baking and just little tidbits thrown in here and there to make it fun. So my first yarn delivery was from Lion Brand and it arrived yesterday. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. This was a sale they had a while back for 4 skeins of Shawl in a Cake for $10. I bought 8. So I bought 2 different colors. I have 4 skeins or cakes of each. Here is the first one. This is what it looks like. Shawl in a Cake. It's sparkly. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? There you can see the sparkles. And this is, it's called Wind Chimes. And the color, let's see. Yeah, it's called Wind Chimes. The color lot is 305. It's a number 4 weight. It's very, very soft. For having sparklies in it, it's extremely soft. And the sparkles are a blue color to match the blue of the yarn. There are 181 yards or 440 meters. It's 61% cotton, 34% acrylic, and 5% other fiber, which would be the sparkly stuff. So, but look how gorgeous it is. It is like all different colors of denim blue. It's almost looking gray in the light, but it is denim blue. Let me turn an extra light on, see if you can see a little bit better. So there, it's just, look at that. It looks like it's got Christmas lights on it, but you can see the color more true. Now that, I have 4 skeins of that. Then I bought, this stuff is so soft, it really is. Then I bought another 4 cakes, and this color is called OM Opal, and it's gorgeous. It is grays and charcoals and white, but as you can see, the sparkles are like iridescent. They're all different colors. There's blues and pink sparkles in there. It's gorgeous. Look at that, like lights up. So, and I have 4 skeins of that as well. So there you can see the color a little bit better. But look at the sparklies. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it has pink and blue, and it looks like gold and silver sparkles mixed in with the gray and the white and the charcoal color. So really, really pretty. So that is day 1 of Vlogmas. Stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Bye, everybody.